ate. Ayan. Send natin sa GC. Hey! Hi everyone! Hello po! Hi Mix Love! Hi my love! Hi my love! Hi! Wait lang. Asali siya sa live ha. Yung anak namin. First live niya yan. Yata. Pinakita ko siya last time. Anyway, ayan. Gusto niyo ba yung ganyan? Yung cozy vibes? Gusto niyo ba yan? Hello po. Nanonood lang ako ng TikTok mo. Nag-live ka naman. Eh, di masaya ka. Charis. Hi po, I'm still a big fan. Taka naman, Sok. Mix Martes, yes. Kung matuloy second fan meet if ever, Mix, bigay ko sa'yo hand drawing ko, please. Nakita mo na yun siya. Alin yun? Alin yun siya? Sobrang Latina mo nung frogs. Sobrang Latina! Mukha kang Hirono. What if gusto ko si Hachipupu ako? Naalibad-bar ako sa mga Hirono. I mean, alam nyo, love na love ko si Hirono dati. Pero kasi yung mga bakla, wala nang buka maybe kundi Hirono tsaka Kubo. Parang, tama na. Gets na namin bakla. Charis. My own Hirono talaga. Happy Mix Martes, everyone. Kari. Wait, batiin mo ako birthday ko today. Happy birthday, Sok! Miss you. Your hairstyle change, I love it. Naiba lang yung suklay. Usually kasi I do it like ganyan, di ba? Parang ganyan or something. Minsan naman nasa kabilang side. So, today, basta ganyan siya. Tapos, ayan. Fit check, cap ng jowa, Mac t-shirt, shorts galing ukay. Hiroro na hindi mo mabibili. Paano pag nabili? Sharif. Belated happy birthday. Thank you so much. So, speaking of birthday, magbubukas nga tayo ng gifts from Drag in the South. Yung iba dito na buksan na namin kasi especially mga may food and baked goods, syempre kailangan namin i-ref. But most of these, I'm going to be unboxing for the first time. Speaking of, wait lang. Hold the phone. I need my unboxing knife. Kineso. Okay, nawawala siya. Okay, magugunting na lang tayo. Yes. Okay, I'm back. Hi po. Hi, Carl Panganiban check. Tara, may blue check siya. Na all checks. Kinabahan pa yan kami kasi akala namin hindi namin bibigay yung gift ng roast. Alam nyo, sayang hindi ko naikot lahat ng roast. Like, pinabalik ako agad sa backstage. Eh, alam niyo naman ako, hindi naman matigas yung ulo ko. So, sinabi sa akin bumalik, hindi bumalik ako. Anyway. Hello, hello, hello. Went on a date with someone earlier, and when I said you're my fave queen, he said you're the prettiest and very well spoken. Could not agree more. Thank you 444 DC. Ayan. Okay, bukas tayo. First off, I want to say thank you to Supergirl Tin for these super cute flowers. Ano sila, artificial flowers, pero naka, like, super cute display box siya. Tapos may, oh, loko. Oh, loko. Oh, oh. Cute niya. Naka-display siya here in my house right now. And someone also, I don't know if this had a tag, pero wala siya now. So, sorry na lang pag, hindi ko, syempre alam nga namang hulaan ko. Ang nagbigay na to si Stephanie May. Charis. Hindi, ito may nagbigay ng like super cute dried flower. Kasi like preserved na siya. Hindi siya mabubulok. So I love that. This is going to go in my... Okay, wait. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung... Because a lot of people give me artificial flowers or mga crochet flowers. Tinatabi ko sila in this bouquet. Tapos ito yung lalagay ko sa vase ko pag walang laman. Kasi ngayon yung vase ko, it has flowers. Yan, bigay po ng jowa ko sa akin. So, yan yung vase. Actually, hindi to vase. Ano lang to, parang champagne bucket na plastic. Eh, maganda siya. So, ginawa ko siyang vase. Anyway, haba na ng hair ma. Thank you. We're growing it out. We want a wolf cut. Pero ayun, as I was saying, iniipon ko lahat ng mga artificial, yung mga preserved flowers na binibigay nyo. Nandito sila lahat sa isang bouquet. Kasama yung Glinda wand ko from Drag Race. Ma, sorry, maliit yung tip ho. At least, nakabigay. Girl, you don't have to apologize. Anything that you give, whether it's tips, it's gifts, it's love and support, available lahat yan. Okay. So, ayun na nga. Teka. Ayusin natin to sistema. Unang gift bag ay ite, KKV. Alam nyo ba? No roast. Ayun, nag-shopping muna ako sa KKV. So, mamaya meron ditong gift from myself. Pumunta rin ako sa KKV para bumili ng anik-anik. Bakit may tite? Di ko rin alam. Kayo nagbigay niyan sa akin. May nagbigay niyan sa akin. Hindi ako yung bumili niyan. At ang ating unang gift ay wala itong tag. Sorry ka na lang. Smoothie Texture Rose and Geranium Hand Lotion. Avail natin yan. TYL talaga na site ang ginger mix. Napakaganda. Honestly, I should wear ginger more often. Pero nakaano kasi ako ngayon eh. Medyo na-fixate ako sa black hair era. Like, I love the way I look in black hair. Ay, taray, safety seal. Mix, I'm such a big fan of ginger hair mix. Sobrang bagay sa'yo. Thank you very much. Babalik siya. Ay, she's gonna come back every now and then. One of my favorite hair colors, honestly. Sino nag-edit ng Maxiana background mo? Tawang-tawa pa rin ako. That is by Roy Arts. Si Roy Arts yung gumagawa ng mga animated reels ng mga bakla. Ayan, siya yung gumawa nun. Gusto niyo yun? Kumakanta si Maxi tsaka si Kiana. Low-key amoy poon. Whenever I smell rose, low-key, ang naalala ko yung mga karo sa Baliwag pag Holy Week. Sorry, taga Baliwag kasi yung mom side ko. So, yun yung naalala ko every time na nakakaamoy ako ng rose. FB10 ba? FB10 ba? Sorry na. Ano gagawin ko? Next up is, we have this. Ayan. Meron ba tong tag? This is 2 mix from Tin Suarez. Thank you, Tin Suarez. Quick lang, curious if may updates on fan. Congrats, Rose Mix. Wala pa. Pag meron, ipa-post natin yan. Grabe yung amoy poon. Yun kasi yung amoy ng mga karo, yung tea rose. Like signature scent yun ng mga karo sa Baliwag. Bakla. Miss you, Mixer. I miss myself too. Charot. Thank you. Meiji chocolate. I love it. More chocolate na may ipon for diabetes. Charis. Ay, kay crush galing. Crush mo yon si Tin Suarez. Hoy, Angelica GRZO. Crush mo si Tin Suarez. Gusto mo edit sa isang account ko. Paliparin mo ko. Charis. This one, moving on. Cute naman yung nasa likod, parang naka-red lang eh. Alin, ito. Nakshi ko yan. More matamis! Magkaka-diabetes na lang sa inyo. Venus Toffee Flavor Chocolate with Toffee Filling. Bakit Venus? Ano meron to? Ano meron? Bakit Venus? Ba't parang pambabae yung marketing niya? Jack and Jill Lush sa... Oh my God! Oh my God! Sour candy. Yes. Kakain tayo niyan. Alam nyo, hindi ako mahilig masyado sa chocolate, but I love sour candy. Sarap niyan. Sarap siya. Ano po name na anak niya? Siya si Tonton. Mahaba yung full name niya. 1/8 Spanish siya eh. So yun. May nagbigay din ng pero walang pangalan. So, salamat sa nagbigay. Next up, we have this. Also, if may mga na-mix up na gifts, minsan kasi like pag yung mga nakahiwalay siya, hindi siya naka-paper bag, nasisiksik lang namin sa other paper bags. So, sorry lang if, may ma-misname, may ma-miscredit kami, ganun. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. May nagbigay din sa akin to before. Yung Wicked Soy Candle. This one's vanilla. My favorite scent, vanilla. Oh my god. Ate, alam nyo, may nagbigay din ng Biwict pala. Last time. Itong Gingerbread House. Ito yung nakalabas na candle right now here. Kailangan ko ng candle warmer. Take notes. Charot. Sa gusto mag-gift sa akin, kailangan ko na candle warmer. Charot. May nabigyan ito, Gingerbread House. Sobrang bango din ito. I love Gourmand scent. Basta yung mga scents na food, like chocolate, coffee, vanilla. Yun yung mga favorite kong candles. Or yung mga amoy bagong ligo, yung mga lavender, eucalyptus, ganun yung mga gusto ko amoy. Pag floral kasi nga, pag rose medyo amoy puon. Tapos ibang floral, hindi masyadong bet. So anyway, yun. Kay Ate Amelie yan. Thank you, Ate Amelie. Vanilla, Avail. Teka, paamoy muna. Akla! Teka ka lang. Nasaan yung lighter ko? Thinking na. Teka ka. Ayan, sindihan natin siya. Sa susunod, 10 yung candle. Ay, nyo. Oh my god, sobrang heavy. Thank you so much. Next up, we have... May expecting good luck para sa math competition ko. Good luck, di ako magaling sa math. Sana mas galingan mo than me. Unboxing tayo. This is si Azura to Azura Natural Elements. Tingnan natin kung sino yung mga bet natin dyan. Parang bet ko si Wind, syempre. Si Ocean, Avail. Gemstone, Avail. Snow, Cloud, Night, Avail. Okay, sana swertehin tayo. Ma-okay lang daw kandila pang patay. Wow! Wow! Ayan, buksan natin siya. Makes isang I love you lang mag-aaral na ako. Bakit? Magulang mo ba ako? Charot! Oh, I love you, mag-aaral ka na. Okay ka na? Chaotic ASMR ma. Kori. Ayan. Bubuksan ko at nakapikit para kayo muna makakita. Nakuha ba natin yung mga bet natin? Sino siya? Ay! Yes! Is this Miss Night? Ay, hindi, no. Ay, hindi. Thunder pala. Pero maganda rin siya. Give ko din. Ganda rin siya. Alam ko meron ako isang Azura sa bahay. Kasi hindi ko pa nadadala lahat ng anik-anik ko dito kasi wala pa akong bookshelf. Kasi yung nagpapagawa ako ng custom bed frame na may built-in bookshelf. Tapos hindi ko pipila lahat ng anik-anik ko. Anyway. Cute! She's so cute. We love her. Ayan, si Miss Night. Tabi natin syempre yung card. At tabi natin yung card niya. Ay! Ang ganda ng card ng Azura, ang nipis. Ayan, thank you. Ano yun? Maano pa want mo na gifts? Any naman ako, but if you want to know yung favorite kong blind box from Pop Mart, syempre, tayo kay Molly. Kasi si Molly, si Mixanel yan eh. Ito, blonde, blue eyes, nguso, may nunal sa may mata. Mixanel yan. Molly yan eh. So, siya yung favorite kong Pop Mart toy. Meron pa, yung nagbigay ng custom nails. Sailor Moon inspired custom nails. This is from Angge. Happiest birthday mix. Thank you so much, Avail. Do you have Hironos? Meron, pero gusto ko nang ibenta kasi nasusuya na ako sa Hironos kasi lahat ng bakla gusto Hirono. Wow! Charis. Ayan. Merong letter. So, ayun nga. Feeling ko na halo-halo na to kasi alam ko iba yung nagbigay na to. This one is by Michiko, yung custom pin. Sobrang cute. It's my entrance look, yung signature. Smile ko na may dila. Ganun. Ganyan. Ganyan. Bye muna, Mix. Mag-aaral na ako. Very good. Tama yan. Sobrang cute to. Oh my God! Meron pa siyang bikini. Oh, cute na to. Thank you so much, Michiko. Ilang taon po para makita ka mag-perform in real life? Meron naman tayong shows na pwede yung under 18. Just, if may nakita kayong show poster, message nyo lang. Alam ko yung most likely yung Kiko Bam show is going to be all ages. Don't quote me on that, I might be mistaken, pero sa pagkakaalam ko ha. Teka lang, avail ko muna ulit ito. FB10 si Alaga, ano gagawin ko? Ano talaga? Ano ka magawa? Ganyan. Very good yung mga mag-aaral na, correct. Check ko muna to. May nagbigay din ng letter. Okay. Ay, dalawa sila. Okay, from 2 people. Dear Mix, happy birthday. Hope this... Ay! Galing kay Tin pala yun. I hope this candle will keep you warm the same way you give us warmth. Sobrang thank you for being who you are, a kind and generous person. Thank you for trusting my skill. Super love making art for you. I hope the new year will treat you gently and kindly. You deserve all the good things in life. Stay healthy. Ingat ka palagi. I'll always be here to support you. Jen Ortigas, Tin. Love you, Tin. Si Tin yung gumawa ng design ng bago kong shirts. So, thank you, Tin. Ito from Vanna. Hi, Vanna. Happy birthday. You've been my ultimate bias in season 3. Everything about you just clicks with me. You're an absolute queen inside and out. Wishing you a long and fulfilling life filled with love and success. I love you so much, my favorite. Love you, Vanna. Thank you so much. Binasa naman. Bawal ba? Next time lagay nyo, huwag mong basahin sa live. Ganon. Kayo na parang ninyo ako kilala. This one is a bracelet from Ann Lee. It says Mick Chanel. Cute friendship bracelet. Yay! Kulong na siya magdiwang mga baka. Korik. Mine po yung kuneho. Anong kuneho? Pusa yan na. Si Tonton niya, anak ko yan. Love you na. Meron pang another, taray, illustration card. Anta, exam. Chari. Hi Mix, happiest birthday to my season 3 crushie. I hope you like this simple gift I have for you. Ayun, yung Sailor Moon nails. Asan siya? Kala na adahada ako. Nasaan? Nasaan yung kuko? Ayun. I hope you like the simple gift I have for you. When I think of Sailor Moon, I think of you. Kaya your Sailor Moon design nails made just for you. I've always admired you ever since I discovered Big Element Podcast till now. I listen to it and sometimes even use it as my white noise. Sana may season 17 podcast. Suhu, congrats on your new place then. I hope the view is breathtaking, just like you. Happiest birthday again to my favorite drag supernova queen. We'll always be rooting for you. I hope to watch Mix Carpenter soon, please. Thank you for helping me with my mental health as well. You may not know it, but you are one of my saviors. I love you so much. Thank you, Angga. I love you. Amuin mo yung index card. Ang bango! It is from, so I'm assuming ikaw to, Angelica Garzo. Garzo? G-R-Z-O. Basta yun. Ang bango! Habi! I love it. Anyway, yun. Thank you so much. Meron pang ito. Ang cute! Wait. Basta yan, siya? Rainbow anik-anik. Basta ayan. Merong rainbow anik-anik. And then meron tayong Wala sa bahay ngayon yung mag-a-avail nito. Adahada, Korik. Happy birthday, may Aris. Ate, hindi ako Aris. Ate, hindi pa Aris season. Pisces season pa lang. Grabe naman yan. Nag-check ako ng record notes ko. Anong record notes? Ano yun? Anyway, ayun. I think that's it for this bag right here. Ang dami ko na naman paper bag, guys. Maraming salamat. Buksan natin. Wait lang. May nagbigay na to. Makes, may balak ka pa bang pansinin ako? Bakit? Makes, congratulates me please with honors ako ngayon for motivation. Congratulations! Very good yan. Ayan. Ayan. Princess tayo to be. Kain ka nga ng cookie. Be, kaka-dinner ko lang. Hindi siya kasya sa ulo ko. Hindi siya kasya. Gusto na niyang bumitaw. Ay! Ayan, bumitaw siya. Anyway, ayun. Ayaw niya sa akin. Bagay. Sana gusto niya sa akin. Sana hindi siya tatanggal sa ulo ko. Masaki ko bamba standing. Never pa ako nakapunta ng rampa. Alam ko may couches and may standing. Anyway. Okay, mayroon tayong blue na paper bag. Ang aking, one of my favorite colors. Ay, sorry na punit. What is this? Wait, oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, what is this? Hi, wait lang, basahin muna natin yung letter. Ayan, oh my god, wait. Na-excite akong buksan, wait. I am forever grateful for discovering Spotlight since it was one of the things that got me through the lockdown. Ever since your Defying Gravity, I started sharing your drag artistry with friends because more people need to see your talent. It is such a blessing to be a mixologist. Honestly, Bekeneman reignited my love for Drag Race because I needed a Pinoy Queer Lens podcast. I was ecstatic to hear you were officially a Ru girl. I hope you enjoy this trip down memory lane. Photos of your performances that I got to see in person. Keep shining, drag super. Lolo, oh my god! Lolo! Sorry for my wonky penmanship. Bakla, parang nakaprint yung letter mo, OA. Also, I could never write straight. I blame not being straight. I am a proud mixologist and so blessed to see your growth as a drag queen. Oh my god, Lolo! Wait lang. Oh my god! Oh my god. So, for context, Lolo has been one of my longest time supporters. As in like, from like the birth of Mix Chanel in 2020 nung pandemic. Wait, Pisces ako. Oh my god. Gigig. Oh my god. Okay, tingnan natin siya together. Wait. I-backhand ko. Tingnan natin siya together. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Me and J Queen. Girl, wait. Oh my god. Sobrang sweet nito. Oh my god. This is one of the most thoughtful things anyone has ever given me. Yes, Blonde Mix Chanel. We love her. Oh my god, her! I love her. I miss this outfit. I need to revamp her. Tara, elimination look. Charis! Oh my god. Oh my god. Depend book your queens, but your money will never buy our humanity. This is from performance of Clown by Emily Sand. Oh my god, this is the OG, the first ever, I think. Cheese ring performance. Miss Guess It Better right there. Miss Carly Rae Jepsen. Oh, the Beyonce Renaissance inspired pero pinerform ko niya Lady Gaga. I think Get Him Back. Olivia Rodrigo to yung kanta na to. Yes, the iconic Runaway With Me. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, so These are one of my first few performances after filming. Oh my god. Oh my god, episode 1. Oh my god, episode 2. Butterboy. Oh my god. Yes, Miss Glinda, the big ball gown from Job Dakon. Oh my god. Oh, her. Oh, her. How very tasteful. How very tasteful. Oh. Lolo, thank you so much. Oh my god, I will keep this. So, bala ko pa naman, I'm planning to buy like a big glass display case from IKEA. Sabi ko parang yung mga like talagang pinaka ma-effort na gifts dun ko ilalagay. This is going there for sure. But for now, this is going on my coffee table so that everyone that visits my house can see it and look at it. Oh my god. Thank you. I love you, Lolo. Thank you so much for all these years of your love and support. I will never forget you. I love you. Touch ako. Touch ako. Pero hindi tayo iyak. Hindi tayo iyak. Hindi tayo iyak. Woo! Woo! Ay, nako. Isa pa to. Ang cute girl. Javi. Look at her! Look at her! Oh my god, complete with the pearls! Yes, Miss Promo look. Oh, cute! Alam mo, you guys, some of you guys are like some of the best gift givers ever. Like, grabe yung thought, grabe yung effort. Like, sometimes I'm like, what did I do to deserve all of this kindness and love? So, thank you so much. Oh! Alam ko kung saan galing to. Alam ko kung saan galing to. Ito, galing Angko yan. Pag nanadaanan ko to sa Angko, this, specifically this one, Miss Almond Lattes, meron si vanilla, espresso vanilla, basta yun, like, these candles from Angko, every time I go to, well, I've been to Angko twice, so okay naman no every time, but like, girl, oh my god, amoy Starbucks. Okay, wait. Buksan natin to another. Ang ganda na playlist na to from YouTube ha. Yan, buksan natin siya. Si Ate Chai nag-suggest. Oh, thank you, Tin. Tayo na. Girl, who needs Starbucks? Well, Starbucks ako kanina, sorry. But, who needs Starbucks? May coffee shop na dito sa bahay ko. Kaya kong gumawa ng sarili kong sandwich. Meron ako espresso machine. Tapos, thank you, Tin! My God, I love it. I'm surrounded by amazing scents right now. Okay, wait. Okay, tabi natin yan. Thank you, Tin! This one from Orange, Miss Orange and her Gachapon gifts. We love her. Puro kandila na nga naman. Haha, go avail. Bakla, avail ko. Okay lang. Pero kailangan ko ng candle warmer one of these days. Kasi natatakot akong... Kasi nga adahada si bakla. So natatakot akong makalimutan kung... From you and Van. Thank you, Tin. Thank you, Vanna. Ayan. Pakita natin. Thank you, Tin. Thank you, Vanna. I love it so much. Bye na. Mag-review muna mi tama. Yan. Mag-aral ka. Ayan. Buksan natin ito. Gashoporns. May lamay ba dyan? Ba't puro kandila na? Bakit? Nakikiamoy ka na nga lang. Di mo nga naaamoy eh. Bakala. Charis. Next gift suggestion, candle warmer. Huwag ka magulat sa next na meet and greet. Puro candle warmer na lang talaga. Okay, yo. Mag-ritual ka ba? Di, sa tingin nyo paano ako nagka-jowa? Eme lang. This one is, oh, Rockruff. Miss Rockruff. So cute. Sabi ko, bibili ako ng non-stick mo ba't bumili ka agad? Bakla, wala pa ako ng 24 centimeters na non-stick pan. Kailangan ko kasi ng bakla. Ang dami ko naging bisita sa bahay ng mga friends ko. Pinagluto ko pa sila, wow. Kailangan ko ng pan. Pero yung 24 centimeters, minamata ko yon. Yung tasty na 24 centimeters na non-stick pan. Yung kulay gray, minamata ko yon. Where's Miggy? Andyan, kakapasok lang niya actually. Nakita ko. Ayan, Rock Ruff, Miss Rock Ruff. Thank you, Orange. Conti. Okay. We'll keep her like that. Tapos, the other one, alam ko si Pochaco yata itong isa eh. Kandila lang ata kailangan para makuha kay. Alam mo girl, madali lang ako makuha. Katotoong buhay lang. Wait, no, oh my god. Wait, oh my god. Look at the baby croissant. The baby croissant. Buksan natin siya. Pero may assembly, mamamaya na yan. Kasi, sa mga nakanood nung last live ko, yung ASMR na Lego, wag na yun. Hindi natin yung ulitin yun. Magiging caterer ka na lang talaga sa next meet and greet. Puro kawain naman. Gcash me. Okay, wait. Gcash. Go, Gcash. May nangihingi ng Gcash. Walang tatawag. Pag may tumawag, mabablock. Ayan, spin natin. Look at her! Miss Croissant! Miss Croissant! Look at that! Miss Croissant! Hindi ko alam kung croissant siya or carrot. Basta ayan. Yung ASMR na Lego Aliw, di ba? Wala tayo na pala dun eh. Yung attention span ng tao, di ba? Pero gusto nyo yan eh. Gusto nyo yan eh. Yung nababaliw na lang talaga ako. May bibuild. Mahirap. Tsaka na yan. Hindi ko na siya i-attempt ulit. Bakla. Anyway, thank you Orange for the gashapons. Ayan, tabi natin yan dyan. Okay, next. Let's open this. Ay, hala, nalaglag. May nalaglag. Anyway. Nandito na ba si Miss Ange? Wala pa yata si Miss Ange. But anyway, this one is from Miss Ange. Marks and Spencer, London. I think this is a housewarming gift, actually. Girl. Isang buong set siya ng Snoopy na Lego blind box. Tapos, parang mga like, wait lang, balik rin natin. Bakla! 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 Oh my God! Miss Ange! Miss Ange! Oh my God! Dear Mix, happy birthday to you. I wish you more success in your career. I cannot wait to see how far you will go. Have a wonderful year. Oh my God! Miss Ange! Girl! May activity na naman ang bakla. Marami na naman siyang bubuin na Lego. Huy! Thank you so much, Miss Ange. I'll message her later. Oh my God! Alam ko kung saan ko yung ilalagay. Ayan, wait lang. Ayan. Kita nyo yun, yung parang taas na yan ng kusina ko. Diyan nakapila yung mga yun. And also pala, yung Pokemon Keep Play na planters na binuo ko last time. Binubuo na siya. Yung binubuo ko last time, kompletuhin ko rin yan. Gusto ko rin kompletuhin yan. Anyway, oh my God. May bagong Lego activity na naman ang gay. Whew! Grabe kayo. Bye-bye ma, back to edukasyon. Tama yan. Tama yan. Hala, may kandila na. Ang dami, puro kandila na lang talaga. Candle care card from Perf & Co. Once you light your candle for the first time, keep your lighted matchstick close to the wick long enough to help in melting the candle surface. Doing this will allow you to have a consistent burn, and recommended use is between 1 to 2 hours. Make sure that you... anyway, instructions. Fresh bamboo. Fresh bamboo. Yan. Gusto ko rin mga ganitong scent. Yung mga amoy malinis, amoy bagong ligo, gano'n. Amoy spa. Yung amoy niya para kang para kang nagpapamanicure. Ito yung amoy pa nagpapamanicure ka eh. Avail. Thank you so much. Meron ba siyang notes? Aside from the care card, Kinesuke? Parang wala. Walang pangalan kung sino nagbigay ha. Walang sisihan pag di nabate. Charit. Candle lang sapat na. Sorry na, mahilig ako sa... I love a clean house. I love a nice smelling house. Another blind box. Sanrio characters. Ayan. Nandito meron tayong Pochako, Hangyodon, Pompompurin, Cinnamoroll, syempre Prayo yan. Pero cute din si Pompompurin, tsaka si Pochako. Hangyodon, medj lang. Parang cute siya minsan for me. At yan, Hello Kitty and Bear Blessing. Sa lahat ng mga may gusto ng Hello Kitty, sorry na lang sa inyo, ayoko siya. Charit. Naritulan na siguro ni Mix yung bahay niya gamit kandila. Bakla, bakit ako magkakandila? Meron naman akong sage and incense. Pampatanggal ng bad energy. Tapos meron Kuromi, handmade cake, my melody, my sweet piano present. Ang ayoko lang, si Hello Kitty. Basta meron kaming history ni Hello Kitty na every time kasi nabubukas ako ng blind box sa Sanrio, I'm not a big fan of Hello Kitty, pero nakakuha ko siya. So parang, sana hindi siya. Okay, ayan, buksan natin siya. Hangyodon! Cutie naman. Actually, cute siya dyan. Mas cute siya in person kesa nung picture. Cute, Avail. Thank you so much sa nagbigay ng Sanrio blind box. Ano pang laman ng paper bag na to? Meron pang... Ano to? Stress Relief Concentrated Room Spray. Pabaw ko na naman ang kwarto. Eucalyptus and spearmint. Amoy malinis. We love it. We love her. Thank you so much. Tapos, meron pa another. Oh my God! Alam niyo, mahilig ako sa mga pabango ng bahay, no? Oh! Oh my God, hindi ko alam na brownies siya. Hindi ko alam na brownies yung laman nito. Hindi ko siya na-ref mula nung Sabado. Sana okay. Brownies naman. Matamis naman siya, so most likely hindi naman. Pero, ayan, hindi ka na daw nakikita na. May kilala akong mag-a-avail nito. Wala siya ngayon dito sa bahay. May mga inasikaso siya today. Anyway, ayun. And then, okay, that's it for that paper bag. You have another one. Ma, my name talaga yun. Baka nalaglag yung kandila. Sa'yo ba galing? Ezra May Gutierrez. Taray, full name. Ezra May Gutierrez, sa'yo ba galing yun? Buti din nilang gam. Correct. pagsama-samahin yung mga baked goods. This one is from... Ay, sorry, hindi ko na ano. Mada Philippines is healing na ano, Korik. Nahuli ang dapat mahuli. Yan, Mix Chanel from EJ, Excelsis J. Taray. Excelsis J, apak sa siya. We have... Sorry na sa brownies. Hindi ko alam na brownies yun kasi mukha siyang like cute na box lang. Akala ko blind box siya. Hindi nalagyan na ito may food buti. Hindi nilagyan. Correct. Anyway, thank you so much. Ligaw na kuti. Ah, cute. Rabbit siya. Wait. By Mix. Mag-review pa ako. Very good. Mag-review ko dyan. Ayan. Ayan siya. Hala! Nasaan kayo nawala? Charot, bobo. Family picture. Kahit wala yung tatay. Thank you so much, EJ, for the sleeping mask. Ito yung ano, oh my god, ito yung nilalagay sa freezer para maging ano, malamig sa mata. Ah, sarap. Yung kama ko pa naman ngayon, it's right next to the window. Eh, ayokong mag-curtains na sobrang heavy. Like, I love the daylight during the day. Pero alam mo minsan, para masarap matulog and maliwanag. Nababasa mo pa ba? Nakikinig ka ba sa K-pop? Not a lot lately, honestly. Ayun, yung meron siyang parang jelly kinemburut. Thank you! So, meron pang isa yung laman yung paper bag. Teka. This one is... Tama. Tama yan. Asa baklang pawisin. Naninitan ka? Baka naninitan ka eh. Charit. Wallpaper ka ng kapatid ko, 5 years old. Bakit may wallpaper? Bakit may cellphone yung kapatid mong 5 years old? Okay, go. Who am I to judge parenting styles? Okay, go. Go. Ay, may nagbigay din ito from Keng. Ay, si Keng Steret. Hi, Keng Steret. Thank you. Ay, oh my God. Nainitan ka ba? Asan yung Nainitan ka ba? Bakla ka kasi. Charit. Lipad ka ulit for Mayhem. Grabe, 1 year na agad, Ira. Super bilis. Bakla hindi ko alam. Honestly, medyo... Wala kasi akong patience. Kung like, mag-online queuing for tickets. So, kung idadamay ako ng mga kaibigan ko, why not? If hindi, edi hindi. Also kasi, girl, ang mahal sa Singapore. Like, ang mahal sa Singapore. Yun yung pinaka-ano dun eh. Mahirap dun eh. Mahal yung flight, mahal yung accommodations, mahal yung gastusin. Though I love Singaporean food, hawker food, avail. Anyway. Kanino yung suklay? Kanino ba yung suklay na yan? Pagpahingahin nyo muna yung tao. Wow! Actually. Meron here, just for you, Mix Chanel, from Crystal de Guzman. Buksan natin ito eh. Hello Mix, happy birthday. So happy to meet you in person. Hope you like my simple gift. Accessories organizer yan ha. Baka ma-confuse ka. Gamitin mo naman something. See you sa Pampanga. Love you. Ah, wow. Gamitin mo naman wow. Girly. Alam mo. See you sa Drag del Norte. Paano ka nakuha text for Iras ang lala ng queuing nun? Mga kaibigan ko. Cute nito. Wait. Honestly, Honestly. Kinda slay. It's kinda slay. Kinda slay. Love that. Love her. Talaga ng mga hikaw. I love it. Ay, oh my God. Meron, like, yung nagbigay nito, yung mga, naalog. What if, ganyan siya. Miss Ange! Hi, Miss Ange! I just opened your gift. Thank you so much. It's so cute. Alam ko na agad kung saan ko siya ilalagay dito sa bahay. Ang cute na to. Slay to. Slay tong iridescent flower na umiilaw-ilaw pa hey. It was in this paper bag, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Bye, matulog na ako. Good night. Here! Miss Ange! Thank you so much! I love it. Thank you. I'm so excited to build all of them. They're going here. They're going to go here. There, like right there sa top shelf ng kitchen ko. Diyan ko sila ipipila. Diyan ko sila i-display. Anyway, ano yun? I was opening something. Nasaan yung paper bag? Nahulog. Hi, mga kami yung may pasurot sa iPad ng Meet and Greet. Hi! Hello! Thank you sa magbati ng birthday ko, Norn. Charot! Ang cute na to. Ang cute na gift na to. Meron pa siyang other... ito mga candy. Oh my God! Ay, mali. Charis. Dahan-dahan lang yung higop para hindi tumama sa ano. Ano kaya itsura ng isang matari na mix? Mix. Mix. Mini challenge, paramihan and pabilisan kumain ng Mikmik Hub nang hindi nabubulo na. Wow! Can you make me a drag name? Ano, ikaw si Val. Valot Penoy. Gusto mo yun? Tapos meron pa siya, Milky Polvoron. Pausukin mo nga, madam. Be, hindi para magkalat. Bago yung carpet ko, wow. Avail. Salamat sa nagbigay ng diabetes. Avail. And I think this one, this one. Yan, Miss Chanel. Walang pangalan ko kayo galing. What are you? What's inside this one? Valot Penoy. Correct. Miss Val. Valot Penoy. Bakla! Avail! Tumatanda. Bilang tumatanda, tanggap ko yun. Kaka-birthday ko, tumatanda na tayo. Kailangan natin yan. Bukbang na may konting life, tama. Slay. Slay. Bakla, slay. Bakla, slay. Bakla. Ay, meron din nga ibet ito. Meron gabi-gabi nagpapamasahe sa likod eh. Slay. Slay. Kaya ito galing. May Ayan, this is from... walang pangala. Ay, hindi, ayun. From Chao Campo. Mix and guts naman talaga sa Puma campaign. You deserve it. Can I say how much I love you for performing musicals? I really do. You are a stunner. Also, my gift is something lang to help you after your performances. Thank you so much. Hindi naman tayo masyado nagbabaldog-baldog always, pero helpful ite. And yeah, I do, honestly, that's one of my parang New Year's resolutions ko for 2025 is to do more musical theater piezas. Kasi at least para sa mga hindi nanonood ng musicals, it helps introduce them to that musical. But also to the girlies that get it. The girlies that love musical theater and culture, it's for you. So, I want to do a lot more musical theater songs again in 2025. Thank you. Kating ko is essential ko rin. Itong isang this one. Ito, hindi to gift. Merch ko to. But if you have knots... Ay, puti mo. Yan. Avail nyo naman yung foldable dolls core. Ay, puke. Natanggal yung glue anyway. Yeah, I have foldable paper dolls. Ayan sila. Avail nyo naman. Thanks. Go to remix.channel, remyx.chanel for all my new merch. Ay! Merong ampaw na hindi ko nabuksan. What's the laman of this? It's a prank! Charis. Hindi pumapera ang babaeng ito. Hi Mix, I hope you like my simple gift. It's a ref magnet custom designed by me. Share ko lang. Thank you for uplifting the community. Ayok. I love it! Ang cute naman ito. Puro pink outfit. Love this. This is going on my ref for sure. Ay, ito. This is also for myself. Yung ginamit ko wine glass na Satisfied. Thank you, self. So I think this one is the last one. And this one is from myself. Bumalik kasi ako sa KKB nung before nung show. So ayan, ang kasama niya ay seaweed. And I have been so excited to open this one. Like ito yung anik-anik na in-avail ko sa KKB kasi sobrang unique looking siya. Like I have never seen anything like this anik-anik before. So buksan natin siya. Ito siya. Wait lang. Baliktad natin yung camera. Ayan siya. Give you flower duck. Please, please duck. Cute ng please, please duck. Glinda yarn. Miss you duck. Petting cat duck. Wanna sleep duck. Landlubber duck. Ang cute. Hingi, fave ko seaweed. Wow, bili ka sa KKBB. Charis. Ayan, naka-ano siya. Na-excite ako! Mahal kumuha dahil sa Popmart at KKB. Oh, na-excite ako! Gusto mo yung na-excite ako sa kung ano yung binili ko for myself. Sana yung actually avail all naman, pero yung please please duck kasi ang cute. Glinda yarn. Baliktad ba? Saan may mukha niya? Ito. Ano siya? Ah! Ah! Ala, ito pala feeling na sumakses. Ala. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wait. Sandali, bihisan ko lang siya. Ala. Ala. Ah. Oh my God. Sumakses tayo for today's video. Paano siya magpe-pray? Ayan, pray. Hindi ko na fold yung kamay, pero ang cute niya! Ayan na, sumakses tayo! Oh my God, ang GB na araw na to. Na-GB ako sa unboxing na to. Thank you everyone that took their time to give gifts. Pakita ko sa inyo yung kalat. Ang kalat-kalat. Ang kalat-kalat rin ng bahay ko dahil sa inyo. Ayan. Kita nyo yan. Ayan ang kalat. Ayan. Ayan. But thank you everyone that gave me gifts, whether it was dahil magbibigay sila sa lahat nung meet and greet or dahil birthday ko. Kung ano mga rason, thank you so much for the gift. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Sana magustuhan mo yung cake. Sorry na diabetes. Oh, ikaw yung nagbigay ng isang Karamiya cake. Tama ba? Yung galing sa isang barkada. Sila Shopee. Basta yung isang Karamiya cake, yeah! Sarap no! Na-avail ko naman lahat ng cake. Natikman ko naman sila lahat. Pero girl, hindi ko sila maubos lahat. So, binigay ko sa mga ibang friends. Yung mga get over. Yung mga get over. Yung mga get over. Okay. Tama, Shafi! Ayun, sila Shafi. Thank you so much sa Karamiya na cake. And thank you everyone na nagbigay ng gifts. Maraming salamat. You guys have all made me so happy on my birthday this year. Ayun nga, hindi ako sobrang ma-celebrate na person. Hindi ako yung type ng person that likes to make things about me. Airtime mga sister ko. Ayun, I'm not the type of person to make things all about me. So, actually, if hindi pa nga ako pinush ng... so, magkakaroon kami ni Matilda ng birthday show sa Rampa sa 18 yata. Hi, bossing! Maxi, I love you. Ayun, magkakaroon kami ng birthday show ni Matilda sa next weekend yata. 22 yata. So, basta sa Rampa. Kung hindi pa yun pinush ni Chai, nung handler ko, I wouldn't be doing a show like that. Kasi hindi talaga, I don't like, ewan ko, hindi lang ako type ng person na makes things about them or likes making a big fuss about my birthday or whatever. Maliban sa isang post ganyan sa IG. Ayun, so thank you for celebrating my birthday with me. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nagbigay. May hindi po yun si Maxi, ibang account po yan. Paki-block. Block. Ate Matilda daw. Correct! So, ang Pisces girlie, si Matilda kasi March 7. Ako, March 8. So, mag-joint birthday celebration ang Pisces girls sa March 22. Basta next weekend. Hindi yung coming hindi yung this weekend. Kasi Draga del Norte itong 15 Basta yung weekend after that. Kung ano mang date yon 22 yata. Magaling ako mag-math, pero hindi. So, magbigyan niyo na ako mali. Basta yon. Birthday show, Mix and Matilda. I'm planning to do... Gusto ko mag-Six na Musical ulit. I wanna do something from Six na Musical ulit. Huwag ka naman magtampo, babe. O, ayan. Bonding kayo. O, diba? O, bonding sila eh. Yeah, so sa Rampa, I wanna do a Six na Musical song ulit. I might do Don't Lose Your Head Again or basta something from Six na Musical. And then matagal ko na may song na matagal ko na amats and dumating na yung damit for that. So I wanna do that there. And then baka mag Sabrina Carpenter. Basta. Basta yun. So mag-birthday show ako. Hindi dahil plano ko, pero dahil sabi mag-birthday show daw. Sabi nung manager ko sa akin mag-birthday show daw ako. So mag-birthday show tayo. Ayan. Manonood kayo ng Delia D. I want to! Kasi si Fee Palmos yan eh. Sisi ko yun eh. Charot. No, but I love Fee Palmos. Anyway, ayun. And I cannot put into words how grateful and how happy you guys had made me feel this past weekend, tong birthday ko. You guys have given me such amazing and thoughtful gifts, and you have been giving me such amazing and thoughtful gifts over the last few months since the show started airing, and even before that, yung mga nagbibigay before that. So thank you everyone that has put the time and the effort and the thought into giving gifts. Ayun, maraming salamat. And Bombading, yes! Si Bombading nasa Delia D. Andun din si Lakan Mizrahi. I also have someone from my college theater org that's among the divas ba yun? Basta sila. Looks like it's turning out to be like it's looking like an amazing cast, and I'm so excited. I'm anticipating the material very much. But yeah, I want to watch Delia D. Ay, ang daming biglang pumapasok na bago. Hello po sa inyo. Si Franco Ramos is in the cast. Franco ba? Si Franco yun, no? Franco, yeah. Ayun, anyway, ayan, if you guys have any other messages, shoot them down below. Maya-maya pa tayo. Let's stay on the live for a little bit more, for a little bit longer. Hang out tayo. Bawal lang. Ramdam nyo ba? Ramdam nyo ba yung pag-success ko dito? Kasi nung nakita ko to sa store, etong specific one na to yung yung kaya ko siya binili. Pero kasi dahil cute din lahat ng designs. But, ano yan? Ito yan. Tito Santi from GSP, yes! Si Tito. Oo nga pala, naging Tito na nga pala si Franco. Can't wait to see you again your Drag Del Norte gig this Sunday. I have not... Piniisip ko pa kung anong gusto ko i-perform sa Drag Del Norte. Piniisip ko pa, what do I want to do? What do I want to do sa Drag Del Norte? If you guys have suggestions. Kailan yung birthday show? Iyak ako pag 22 may summer lovin' po. Sa 22 yung birthday show, sa Rampa. Pero sa Rampa naman yun. So like, ano siya? Bar night. So like, you just pay the regular entrance fee? Or you just get a table sa Rampa? I think that's, that's cheaper, I think, than a ticketed show. I think it's not ticketed. If I'm not sure, it's not ticketed. What if Glinda na naman? I mean, I love her. We love Popular, but medyo, bakla yung wig ko nga na Glinda, medyo pagod na eh. Umabot pa siya ng Iloilo, wow. Pati Kiko Bam sa 22. Oo nga. Oo nga pala, pagod nga pala ako sa 22. So yeah, I will be hosting the Kiko Bam fundraiser show with Salmonella and Buknoy. Like, girl, I'm so excited for that hosting collab. Isa from Bekenemen, isa from Adonis, isa from Rampa. Like, girl, work. Ang ganda nung, like, na-excite ako to host with the two of them. But yeah, a lot of amazing performances from our Rue girls, from our Drag Den girls, and from, of course, from our local queens. Sa Kiko Bam fundraiser, punta kayo because all of the proceeds of the show will be going to help fund the campaign ng Kiko Bam. Kailangan natin ang Kiko Bam sa Senado. Bakla utang na loob. Hayaan nyo namang mag-heal yung Pilipinas. May nakulong na nga today, oh. Dahil hindi pwedeng may nakulong lang. Kailangan may pumunta sa Senado na karapat dapat. Ha? So, punta kayo show ng Kiko Bam para matulungan natin sila sa campaign nila. And hopefully, get them into the Senate. We need Kiko and Bam in the Senate para hindi na minority. Para, bakla ano yun, mag-isa lang si Riz Hontiveros forever. Mag-isa lang siya doon. Ate, magaling ang mamarisa natin, pero huwag naman, bigyan niyo naman siya ka-campaign. Hindi pwede napapagod ang mamarisa natin sa Senado mag-isa. Di ba? Pakisama po si Heidi Mendoza. Yes, I've seen Heidi Mendoza's platform. It looks really good. So, yes. Ano po say mo sa Comelec? Be, pag hindi mo alam ang Comelec, alamin mo ang Comelec. Ang inang yan. Mga ilang oras kaya tatagal yung drag with Kiko Bam? Actually, I don't know. But I feel like it might be a little bit of a long show. Because we do have a pre-show. Alam ko there's going to be a pre-show. And then we have the main show with, the published queens. Maxie's going to perform. Bakla, so parang, avail nyo na, ang ganda ng lineup. Ang ganda ng lineup of like the TV girls, and of course ang ganda rin ng lineup natin of our local talent. You have to support our local drag talent. Hindi pwedeng aabangan nyo lang sila sa TV. Support a local drag talent. But yeah, support the Kiko Bam show, and then if hindi pa kayo pagod, birthday show namin ni Matilda sa gabi sa Rampa din. I think the show usually when it's a bar show, the show usually starts around 12:30 or 1. So yeah, birthday show namin ni Matilda on 22. Yes, 11 a.m. pre-show, 12 p.m. program proper. Korik, ayan. So yun, puntahan nyo po yung shows na yun, supportahan nyo po. I have Draga del Norte this weekend. And then I have Kiko Bam and my birthday show with Matilda next weekend. The weekend after that, 29, alam ko I have Vanta. So, 2 beses ako pupunta sa Pampanga this month. And then I also have Summer Lovin' sa Vice Comedy Club sa 29. Tama ba? Basta yun. Ayun yung mga upcoming shows ko for March. Birthday ko ngayon. Happy birthday, fellow Pisces. Bye, ma. Love you. Good night. Good night sa'yo, Lebron Escobar. Going ako all sawaan ng face ka sa akin. Go! See you! Draga del Norte, Kiko Bam, birthday show, Summer Love with Vanta. Ladies and gentlemen, pagod na po ako. Good night. Taki ng schedule yan. Taki ng schedule yan. Utaki ng schedule yan. Pagod. Pagod na. Yung pamilya ko sa Marikina, hindi ko na nauuwian. Yung nanay ko nagtatampo na sa akin, ba't di daw ako umuwi na Marikina? Ma, sorry na. Ma, sorry ma. Pambawi sa Pinang IKEA. Stay pa. Talaga. Ganun talaga, perang-pera tayo eh. May bahay tayong binubuo, oh. May renta tayong binabayaran. May kuryente tayong kailangang bayaran. Magpapakonect pa lang ako ng internet. Wala pa akong, yung wifi na to, libre siya ng DMCI. So, salamat DMCI. Pero wala pa akong, kailangan natin ng pera eh. Kailangan ng pera eh. Ang galing mo sa Rose Maha, di ko na-expect. Di ko na-expect. Para after ng mga gigs mo, diretso hilot na kaagad ko rin. Asa na yun? Asa na yun? Ayan. Ito. Pagod. Ay. Stay positive mga tao. Ay na niya. Tapos mga mukhang pero, bakla. Sa totoo lang, wait lang. Patayin muna natin yung kandila para fire safety. Fire prevention month ngayon. Fire prevention month. Ay, March yun, di ba? March of Fire Prevention Month. Also, oh my God, sa dami nang nangyayari, I completely forgot to greet. As an international woman myself, that was born on International Women's Day, happy International Women's Day no March 8, and happy International Women's Month to all of the women supporting drag queens. Honestly, as much as I love the gays, I love the men, the straight men that support drag. I love the non-binaries. I love the in-betweens. But women are the backbone of the drag industry. Women are the biggest supporters of the local drag scene, of the drag industry. Happy International Women's Day to every woman out there, every trans woman out there that is not up for debate or discussion, every woman in general, but also every woman that supports drag queens, that supports drag kings, drag artists. Thank you so much. Happy International Women's Day sa inyo. I'm bisexual po, period, by women. Yes. Non-binary women, genderqueer women, asexual women, aromantic women, all of the women. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. I will always be a staunch supporter and ally of women's rights. Girl, takina, walang makakagalaw sa... Mampupuksa talaga. Girl, like, if you're a TERF, if you don't, especially like, sobrang gigil ako noon, like, nung na-hear ko yung balita nga na, syempre di ko masyado pinatulan, sakto lang. Pero nagalit ako noon na like, people were excluding trans women from the discussion of International Women's Month. Parang, bakla, may nabawas ba sa'yo? Bakit? Dinukutan ka ba ng ovary ng trans woman? Bakla, like, let's celebrate all women. Let's celebrate everyone that identifies as a woman. Let's celebrate everyone that feels represented by women. Let's represent all of... I mean, let's also celebrate men that celebrate women in their lives. Like, girl, celebrate, like, wala namang kawala pag nag-celebrate tayo ng Women's Month for everyone that resonates with women and womanhood. Like, especially yung mga mama's boy, for sure, are celebrating Women's Month. Like, ako, like, I was a daddy's boy nung bata ako, and then na-shaggy bam yung tatay ko. So, syempre, by default, naging mommy's boy ako. So, parang, girl, like, wala namang mawawala. Let's celebrate all women. Let's celebrate all women. Let's celebrate everyone that identifies as a woman. And let's celebrate everyone that identifies with women. Period. Anyway, ayun, that was it. Thank you so much for joining me on tonight's Mixed Martes. I will see you guys in the next one. Though, paminsan naman pasundot-sundot din ako ng live every now and then. Ano say mo man ako si Duterte? The serve! The serve! The serve! Woo! The serve! The serve. The serve. Sama nyo na rin si Roque. Sama nyo na rin si Bato. Sama nyo na rin si Bongo. Sama nyo na rin yung presidente. Ay, naka-red ta... Hindi ako naka-red. Hindi ako naka-red. Hindi ako naka-red. Hindi ako naka-red. Anyway, thank you so much everyone for joining me tonight. Thank you for all of the gifts, for all of the love. I love you all. Bye. Mwah!